How much?
Auntie, do you know what is sarcopenia?
Mestilah tahu. Muscle loss kan?
Wah, pandai auntie. I have this tissue for you. Don't forget every 18th of each month, you must come to Alpro Pharmacy because we have this Silvercare membership.
Tissue je?
Auntie, this tissue it is not just a normal tissue paper. It is a lifesaver for you every time in the kitchen. No more tangisang bawang for you, auntie. When you're in the most emergency moment, it is always there to be your best friend. No more result and panic for you. When you are not feeling well,
Thank you.
it provides you the relief. Hanya satu scan, you boleh chat dengan pharmacist or our doctors online anytime.
Yelah, tisu ni sentiasa ada untuk I. I perlukan dia.
We are not just here for your health needs. We bring you comfort and reassurance always. Introducing Alpro Premium Hanging Tissue. Convenient, versatile, and always ready for everyone to use. Get yours free every 18th of the month at the Silvercare Workshop. Available at all Alpro Pharmacy outlets.